At first, welcome to my channel and welcome to my best friends in this channel and love to my students. Now, I am going to teach to determine the trigonometric ratio from sin theta to another trigonometric ratio. For example, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta and cot theta, etc. You have already studied about triangles and in particular right angles in your earlier classes. Let us take some examples from our surroundings where right angle triangles can be imagined to be formed. For instance, suppose the students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of the minar at right angle triangles can be imagined to be made. How will you determine the height of the Qutub Minar without any measuring? Then, in the process of trigonometry, we can determine the height of the Qutub Minars from height and distance chapter. In this way, the height of Mount Everest can be determined, and in this process, any desirable height of the world can be determined without any measurement. Now, let us go to teach about the trigonometric ratio. We know sin theta equal to 1 by cosec theta. If the value of sin theta is x, then what will be the value of cosec theta? First, I am going to teach about sin theta to another ratio. Now, let us think sin theta equal to x. Therefore, cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. As sin theta equal to x, therefore cosec theta will be 1 by sin theta. Now putting the value of sin theta, we get 1 by x. Therefore we can write cosec theta equal to 1 by x. Now another trigonometric ratio, cos theta. How will determine the value of cos theta? So, cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta, as sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Therefore, cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta according to the formula. Therefore, cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Now, in this process, cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Now, putting the value of sin theta, we can write cos theta equal to root over 1 minus x square. Now, sec theta. How will you determine the value of sec theta in this process? Now, we know sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cos 1 by cos theta equal to root over 1 minus x square. We have obtained the value of cos theta in this process. Now putting the value of cos theta in this trigonometric ratio, we have obtained the value of cos sec theta equal to 1 by 1 minus cos x square. Now tan theta equal to, how will you determine the value of tan theta? Now tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, as sin theta equal to x and cos theta equal to root over 1 minus x square, then we can write tan theta equal to x by root over 1 minus x square. and cot theta equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. So we know the value of cos theta equal to root over 1 minus x square to that of the sin theta equal to x. Therefore, cot theta equal to root over 1 minus x square by x. In this process, we can easily determine the trigonometric ratio from sin theta to another ratio. Now, the first use of the idea of sine in the way we use it today was in the work Aryabhatians by Aryabhatta in AD 500. Aryabhatta used the word ardhajya for the half chord, which was shortened to jia or jiva in due course. When the Aryabhatians was translated into Arabic, the word jiva was recent as it is. The word jiva was translated into sinus, which means curve. When the Arabic versions was translated into Latin, soon the word sinus also used as sine. From this sine, we can obtain all the trigonometric ratio from trigonometry.